I'm not proclaimed as that. Scars in the scars of life. Try to understand scars come rise in my rise. Every rise I speak of in my life. I'm not proclaimed as that. Scars, no one's by myself and scars of life. Don't think of yourself as what I do for myself, because I'm just scars of nothing. We don't scars you put about the world of everything we scores, everything we don't flourish, every way we flies where the flies are. I don't say nothing because I'll be damned if I blend my head in somebody's game of what I am. A fly in disguise. I love my flies. I would lie if I never said it myself in ways of never living without the one, the Gulaba, they speak of. These are scientific ways of saying we are great. I say we love you, cheese. I love you people, cheese. I love you, cheesy people.
You die anyway in cheesy lies.
I love cheese people. I love cheese. And I cheese everybody. But no scars coming beneath. I say scars are punishment to your meat. I sing to you because I don't scars. I don't really retain to the poor or anybody in so helpless poor. I score, no way. I score for myself to understand you more and put in more love and charge of everything we sharing off and sharing.
I drown shit.
Like it's cheering the days, fearing nothing and more. Work and scars of thirsty urge. I feel your works and watch as office. Now you're watching me work. I work what I do. I do no scars for no one to fluke. Everything we do is good for Luke and loot and loop and laughs. I live in laughs. I live to laugh. I make laughs. I don't judge myself after I laugh.
A match before you.
Joke and toke of choke of everything we joke about scars, because scars come true, and I'm not the one to manipulate my mort of mortgaging everything with more shading of everything we shave in the world, shaving the deer, sense of beer, wither with the winter, whether the swindler of women come in with the winding. I think we're good when sinning.
You're just women to sending.
And everything we're living and running. I've written everything. I've written back. I've written boff. I've written doff. I write these coughs, laughs, and drits, and ratch. Everything Richard. I think you scarf. I think you're slow. I think you're soft. You don't want to be sure like that. You're just a witty floss of everything we floss in your head, charge in your flesh.
Or you would get the gladiator ring and still die.
To my maid department left, and to sketch, and letch, and everything you which. I don't think you sniff that coke more than you should, which everything with one coke crack, shack, chicken, and jagging, now the chicken, chop chip.
That be the end of your centennial.
Rigging, now no one wants to win you sinning. Did I say something of something you could be binning yourself into something that's not really? Everything you're skidding? Everything that's not really? I lit it off, but it's not scars. Understand my hard work, war to war. You might be my war to war. You're the super war. And everything I do is not super and things of everything we think to the gladiator rings. I think you're singing off things. I think your language is scoffing off. It's perfect by love and the scavenging, not scavenging yourself more than you're billing. Selling and selling yourself like a selling language. That's when it's cold and lies and rolled into the skies of dough. For yourself to be the rude into something good. The eighth theory of fate. I love you, poet fish. I love you, sasses. Forgive me to my ancestors, my spirits, my gods, my gulabas and animals. It spurts, it hurts, and does nothing to murk the scars. I do not murk, I do not murk. Do you understand this hurt, a work, a war, a mark, a torn, a sign? Why do you read the signs? I said it multiple times, don't read the signs. I will lick and take and lick it off from your head, shed, and put it back in your place where you look so great. I don't want you to disappear. I want myself to disappear. Quite frankly, I had enough of this people. Ant food beat. Saying I scars. Can you believe that? I understand joke, no joke. I understand no hope. I understand you're hopeless. No hope. But I understand I will build myself a bridge of hope for you to get out and never speak of it as scars of life again. Show my loves, and my loves will never be the same as these sneaks of witty ass sneaks. You stick it in, I stick it out. You say scars, but I mount it and pull it in. And out of the scars of your winded one, of everything we skin to spin. And I think you live the cars and everything, walking life of work. Without the skins of everything as scars, from wounds to bars, everything is scarred. It to be right, I'm just tonight. I might say something of sleepy knife. I slept, I slife, I love you might. Look at my mill, I skill, I don't deal, I kill. Look at me scars.
Clean your earwax out. I don't want it. No pain for me, but pain for deemed to be the scene of everything you scheme and to be dead in the dream of everything you scheming around being and jigging, but you're dragging yourself like dead.